Because you know I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. 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 Yeah, it's pretty clear. My celia's irritated. My body can take it, cause I'm immune. I got that mucus that chases through the air at the right speed of 100 kilometers, yeah. Particles and irritants, they enter my nose. That bright light or cold air, come on now, make it stop. If you got silly cilia and mucus, oh, cause every interview is programmed with the perfect sneeze attack. Yeah, my doctor, he told me just take the histamine. He said your nose does sometimes need some help cleaning. You know I won't get sick cause I have constant sneeze attacks. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and blame your sensory nerves. Because you know I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. 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 I bring bacteria out. Go ahead and tell them I got allergen, alright. Yes, I have nasal cavity, but I'm here to tell you that every interview is programmed with the perfect sneeze attack. Yeah, my doctor, he told me I have that epithelial lining. He said your nose is perfectly capable of removing bad things. You know I won't get sick cause I have constant sneeze attacks. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and blame your inflammatory nerves. Because you know I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. 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 All about that sneeze, that sneeze. I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. Because you know I'm all about that sneeze, that sneeze. 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 You go nose.